Do not judge me by my successes, judge me by how many times I fell down and got back up again. It is in your hands to make a better world for all who live in it. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. A winner is a dreamer who never gives up. What counts in life is not the mere fact that we have lived. It is what difference we have made to the lives of others. Remember that hope is a powerful weapon, even when all else is lost. While poverty persists, there is no true freedom. Do not look the other way, do not hesitate. Recognize that the world is hungry for action, not words. Act with courage and vision. When people are determined, they can overcome anything. The struggle is my life. I will continue fighting for freedom until the end of my days. Man's goodness is a flame that can be hidden, but never extinguished.